Welcome to watch Saizen Duco Robot's operation video of Intelligent Welding System. In this operation, we teach arc seam tracking process. To set up arc tracking, we need to open the single pass welding process. Now, create a new process 1. Select the arc tracking below. Change the off switch to on. Check compensation direction. Check Y and Z. The base current value is set according to the actual current of our welding. We enter 240 amps. Because the welding current is 240 amps, so set it to 240 amps. The maximum compensation amount and Y and Z. These two parameters do not need to be changed. The number of cycles in the queue doesn't need to be changed. The next important parameter is set the lag time. Each welding machine has its own lag time. We need to set it according to the actual situation of the welder. To set it, the welding machine we are testing now is 460 milliseconds. Input 460 milliseconds. Tracking start time is 2000 milliseconds, which should not be changed. In the YZ direction, the sensitivity coefficient of 0.5 is not adjusted. There is another important parameter, is the constant current difference, which is based on the diameter of the wire times 10. We are currently using a 1.2 wire, which is 12. If we use a 1.6 wire, we need to adjust it to 16. Set the current difference to 5 amps. To expand the range, to track more accurately, set it to 5 amps. After turning on the arc tracking, we need to set the swing welding and turn on the on-off switch. Turn on the on-off switch if you don't swing the welding. The arc tracking will also fail. The swing welding method is as follows. There are 5 welding methods in total: triangle, sine, arc, trapezoid, and figure 8. For triangle, you need to look at the reference plane. After doing TCP, select the XOI plane. Here, the default is XOI. Other methods can be adjusted according to the situation. Adjustment, you can choose the default here. Next is the swing frequency. Enter 1 Hz. When the input frequency is above 4 Hz, it will have a greater impact on the mechanical arm vibration. So in the daily welding process, it's basically around 3 Hz. So this time, we choose to enter 1 Hz. Click OK, the swing amplitude in normal swinging. It basically does not exceed 10 millimeters. Generally, it is set between 3 and 5 millimeters. The common swing amplitude is generally between 1 and 5 millimeters. So this time, enter to millimeters. Click OK. Pitch offset and direction angle offset in daily production are rarely used, so you cannot set them. Now let's look at the sine wave swing. The parameters above are the same. Sine wave has left and right dwell time, and right dwell time. When welding vertical welding, the left and right dwell times are more important. You can increase the left and right dwell times according to the actual situation. At the same time, turn on the main path dwell. When welding vertical welding, the main objective lens must be turned on. If it is not turned on, the weld quality will be relatively poor. Next, we see the arc swing. The parameters of the arc swing are relatively few. 1 is swing frequency, and 1 swing amplitude. These two parameters can be set as they are. Next is the trapezoidal swing. The setting parameters of trapezoid are the same as the setting parameters of sine. You can set it according to the actual situation. To make detailed settings, next is the figure 8 swing. The parameters of the figure 8 swing are also few. Just follow the actual situation and your own needs to set it. The above content are the settings for arc tracking and swing welding.